we spend hours on our thumbnails and watch videos on YouTube how to improve thumbnail. And after spending a lot of time, finally we make a professional thumbnail. But in the end, these unprofessional thumbnails go viral and our thumbnails, he. If these unprofessional thumbnails have to go viral, so why do we make professional thumbnails? So today we will talk about this, why it happens, and how should you make thumbnails that go viral. Disclaimer: the thumbnails I use in this video is just example and these are my opinions. Let's start the video. So this is thumbnail number 1 and this is thumbnail number 2. Which one has more views? Yes, you are right. Thumbnail number 3. Yes, because the first two thumbnails are professional. This is just an example at how unprofessional thumbnails are ranking and getting more views, while CTR is the most important thing to rank. So there is something we don't know, and this video is just about this. What is a static and clicky thumbnail, and which one should we make? A static thumbnail has good font, good color, good alignment, and good quality. Overall, it looks professional and beautiful. And the clicky thumbnails means more people want to click on the thumbnail. I show you some examples. Here is a boy who got the challenge of turning 1 cent into $1,000 only in 24 hours. In this thumbnail, Mr. Who's the Boss and CEO of Google talking about the future of smartphones. Why these thumbnails are clicky? Even these are very simple thumbnails. This is because people want to see the video. You see this thumbnail. This is not aesthetic and not looks good, but still it get more than 18 million views. Because people want to see the royal family of Dubai. And here's the picture of lion while drinking milk from her as evidence. So people think yes, this happens. In this case, raw picture works better. If you over edit, then it looks fake. Hope you understand it. But ThepSygo, what should we do? Should we make a static thumbnail or not? Of course, you should make a static thumbnails. As I show you an example of cooking and fitness channels, they are making a static thumbnails and getting more views. So the question is, should we make a static or clicky thumbnail? Who told you that if a thumbnail is clicky, that is not aesthetic? Even in some cases, aesthetic thumbnails get more views. As I give you the example of cooking channels, as the thumbnail is aesthetic, it is clicky. So you can make your thumbnail both aesthetic as well as clicky. But to make it aesthetic, you do not compromise how clicky that thumbnail is. What does it mean? If a thumbnail can be aesthetic, it doesn't mean that it can't be clicky. But in some cases, the thumbnail need to raw or even aesthetic. It depends on your common sense at how you use it. Now let's talk about the secrets by which you can make your thumbnail even more clicky. Secret number 1 is think from the perspective of your audience. How do we do that? You make yourself an audience and think that which thumbnail would you click on. Think as your audience. And secret number 2 is you have to make your thumbnail aesthetic as well as clicky. There are many videos on YouTube whose thumbnails is very good and aesthetic, but nobody want to click on it. It is not clicky. Show your audience that they want to see. That's how you make your thumbnail aesthetic. But ThepSygo, how can we make our thumbnail clicky? If you want to know, so click the left video to know the best way of it. Like the video if you like it and subscribe. Thank you.